We'll do the question of depreciation on Excel. I'll read out the question for you. A machine is purchased for rupees 5 lakh. The machine will be used for 10 years, after which it can be sold for rupees 20,000. Calculate depreciation charged every year on straight line basis. So like first we'll create a table. Cost, salvage value, and year. Just drag the table. The cost is 5 lakh. Salvage value is 20,000. Select these two cells and we'll have to apply currency. Okay, now year is for 10 years. That is the life year or slash life. Now SLN बेसिस पे सबसे पहले स्ट्रेट लाइन पे हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड, और आई विल आल्सो शो यू कि डिमिनिशिंग बैलेंस पे हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन का फंक्शन हमें ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड है SLN. आपको आ जाएगा. तो वी हैव टू अप्लाई कॉस्ट, देन salvage and then life. Bracket closed, enter. Same. Diminishing का dB is the syntax which we'll use. Here we have to apply cost, salvage, life, and यहाँ पे one thing is extra, that is period. Now we'll be if we are calculating for 1 year, 2 year, we'll just have to put it there. Like I'm calculating it for 5 years. Okay, 5, bracket closed, and this is the answer. Okay, now let's prepare a table. I'll just prepare a table. Depreciation schedule. Here SLN basis पे एक बार और DB. ये लाइक 10 years तक का ले लेंगे. Okay, now we'll calculate. SLN का हमें पता है is equals to SLN. Now cost, comma salvage value, comma life, bracket close. Now one thing we have to do कि हमें ये 10 साल का निकालना है and we know कि SLN सेम रहेगा. तो we'll fix the value by F4 की. Function plus F4 we'll get the dollar sign. मतलब this syntax, this function is now fixed. And I'll just drag it. Okay, same with the DB. Cost, bracket salvage, comma life. अब now see कि यहाँ पे हमें क्या क्या फिक्स करना है. हम यहाँ पे फिक्स सिर्फ B1, B2 एंड B3, दैट इज पीरियड. क्योंकि हमारा जो लाइफ जो पीरियड है वो तो हमारा 10 साल तक है. तो लाइक एवरी ईयर इट विल बी चेंजिंग. We'll close the bracket and enter. Same इसको भी आप drag कीजिए, drag it out. We'll get our answer. Okay, so this is all about, it's the simplest question of depreciation, straight line or diminishing method, how we have to use it. Okay.